Hey, how are you?
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came
Hello,
to the
beautiful
game and I
people.
changed it to play.
Welcome
What
to
life
Over 50
arranged it to
Model.
my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping.
Today, we're excited to introduce you to the inspiring and fabulous Kit Kat.
Got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
A true trailblazer in the world of mature fashion.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
As a top over 50 model, Kit Kat has captured the hearts of her audience with her charm, elegance, and incredible sense of style. Her Instagram page, @FunLovinKitKat, boasts an impressive following of over 59.5K, making her a celebrated Instagram influencer and fashion content creator.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon.
Kit Kat's fashion choices embody timeless fashion that resonates with women embracing the over 50 lifestyle.
Through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day.
She effortlessly blends bold, modern looks with classic elegance, proving that ageless beauty is about confidence and embracing your individuality.
Withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never
A proud advocate for body positivity, Kit Kat inspires women to celebrate their unique beauty at every stage of life. As a natural older woman, she champions the idea that the over 50 style is not just about clothing, it's about embracing your authenticity and living life unapologetically. Through her social media presence, Kit Kat shares more than just fashion inspiration.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's
Her
no
posts
stopping this
reflect her
flame.
vibrant
Cause I came to the
personality
game
and her
I
dedication
changed it
to
play.
redefining
How I
beauty
like
standards for
rearranged
mature
it to
women.
my own domain.
She is a
Yeah, I
beacon
got
of
what it
empowerment,
takes. Made
reminding
lots
us
of
all that
mistakes,
age is
taking
just a
shots,
number.
skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad.
Thank you for
played,
watching
and I've got
today's
something to
feature on
say,
Over
yeah.
50 Model.
I work hard each and
If you're
every
inspired
day.
by Kit Kat's journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
Goodbye.
I turn